Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. So you're going to answer and answer confidently. Okay, now the way you are smiling now, till the end you have to smile like this. Okay, yeah. So, what is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 24 because it's my date.
Bring the mic closer.
Because it's my date of birth, and it's my lucky number as well.
All right. Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
No, it's very hectic to memorize it. I just know my dad's number and my number.
Okay, this answer is very, very short. You know, this is the answer of a chicken. Ah, okay, all right, all right. Just answer like a lion, tiger, okay? Let's go on. Are you good at mathematics?
No, I don't like maths. It's very hectic subject.
Thank you very much. Very good. You are going to talk to the examiner. It's not the romantic talk. आप क्या करती हैं? हाँ, मैं भी movies देखता हूँ. Not like this, okay? You need to talk actively, energetically, and answer should contain at least 5 sentences. For example, are you good at maths? No, I'm not good at maths. Since my childhood, I have never liked maths. And in fact, sorry to say, when I was at school, I never liked my maths teachers as well. So to answer your question, I'm very bad at maths. See, like this. Wanna go to foreign country or not? There you can use this voice. Okay, zaruri. Okay? You can do it there. Now, how often do you use numbers?
I use in doing in maths, mostly doing maths and accounting because it's my subject.
Okay, your answers are very, very short, so you need to speak more. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. You'll speak better, right? Good job. Yeah, good boy, very good boy. Do you prefer one long break or several short breaks?
Well, I prefer several short breaks because taking a long break can make you distract from the something you are doing, or whether you are studying or reading a book. You can easily get distracted if you take a long break.
All right, this is good. What do you usually do when you take a break?
Usually when I take a break, I check my social media, or eat some snacks, or play some kind of indoor games like table tennis, etc.
Okay, so just try to combine these sentences together and speak in one go instead of speaking sentence by sentence. Okay, why do you need to take a break?
I need to take a break because doing something repeatedly can cause tiredness, dizziness, and can make you feel overwhelmed. So you need to take a break so that you can regain your energy and strength to do that thing again.
Good. Your English is good, but you take time to produce the answer. So first try to fill that gap, and secondly, your sentences are all separate. Try to connect them with the help of some connecting words, or you can use compound sentences mainly, then it'll be fine. And you have to speak more and more. Okay?
Okay.
Good boy. Thank you. Thanks a lot.